Hey YouTube, today Crash Gaming will show you how to download custom skins for League of Legends. So the first thing you need is go to the link in the description and download the skin installer. It's called SIU, and you just download it and save it to your desktop. So you'll get this folder and just open the folder and find the program called Skin Installer Ultimate. You see, I got a lot of skins to actually turn on Lux, Rain, Shinshao, all the skins. So yeah, so when you got this program, you need to download the skins from the website. It's also in the description, the link. You go to the leakcraft.com, and then when you are here, you go to community and go to skins. Then you find the song you want the skin for, and I want for, let's say, Shaker. Want the Shaker. So I guess here you can see how many people downloading skins. So 4,900 people are. I think that's my skin. So I press the name of the skin, and then I can. That's not a nice skin. It's just like, I don't know. So I just pick this. That's a nice skin. So then I press here in the corner download. Yeah, and I think you need WinRAR to download it. So you have to wait a second for it to download. We'll begin here. You see the download here, so you can open the folder. You don't need it. So yeah, you take the shaker.zip and drag it into the skin installer. Drag it in and drag it. So yeah, oh my god, give me a second. Sorry if you're lagging a bit. Oh my god, sorry guys. And then they'll pop this up when you drag it into, and then you just press OK and OK. I am done adding files. Finally is the skin. Then OK, and please automatically install this skin at this time. Blah blah blah. OK, save, and yeah, OK. Then you see the skin here. So now you have finished downloading the skin. So now you can you can check the skin here, and you can start League of Legends, start log. Then you just log in to a wall account. So again, I'll just show you about the oh sorry. Then you yeah. And yeah, you will not get banned for downloading the skins. It's not a hack. It will not make you better or something. It's and other people on your team and your opponents can't see the skin. You can only see it. You can only see it. So you will not get banned for doing it. Okay, so now pick the machine. I can't find it. Okay. Yeah, yeah. And then you log in. Shut up, my please. I'm just taking the lead. And then you just pick the classic skin, and it will automatically choose the skin. So yeah, you'll see the shaper skin here in the load, and Other people can't see this. It's only yourself can see it. So yeah, oh, sorry, my computer's a bit slow. And yeah, you'll see the nice skin, and your spells is maybe all different, or maybe sometimes not. So yeah, so I hope you enjoy the video and could use it. So download, and if you have troubles to download or install them, just leave a comment and I will try to help you. So yeah, that was all. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.